Hi everybody, so today passive voice is going to be explained. Talking that way wouldn't be done by you. You guessed it, yes, I'm talking in passive voice. You wouldn't do that. You'd say, today I'm going to explain passive voice, and you wouldn't talk that way, right? So passive voice is really when the object of the sentence takes the front end of the sentence where the subject would normally be. So your normal sentence is subject, verb, object. So I appreciate you. So I is the subject, appreciate the verb, and then you the object. So normally that's how we talk. When you take the you and move it to the front, you would say, you are appreciated by Veronique. That's passive voice. Two components that tell you that it's passive voice, actually three. First, the object went to the front of the sentence. So you went to the front of the sentence. Then the second component that tells you it's passive voice is the fact that there's the verb be and then the past participle of the verb appreciate. So are appreciated. Okay, and then the third element that tells you it's passive voice is by. So the subject is now introduced by the preposition by. So you are appreciated by Veronique. Those three elements together make passive voice. There is a use for passive voice. So for example, if you want to put the emphasis on the object, you use passive voice. It makes sense. You are appreciated. It's not about me. It's not about Veronique. It's about you. So I put the emphasis on the you, so I move it to the front. The other options to use passive voice is when you actually don't know who the subject is or you think it's irrelevant. So for example, the COVID vaccine is being developed. Full sentence. That's it. You didn't mention the subject. The COVID vaccine is being developed by Saskatchewan scientists. So by Saskatchewan scientists. If it was an active voice sentence, you would have said Saskatchewan scientists are developing the COVID vaccine. See the difference? You remove by Saskatchewan scientists because maybe you felt it was irrelevant or you actually didn't know by whom. You just knew it was being developed, right? In general, you're better off speaking in active voice, so subject, verb, object. It's a lot easier to understand, particularly when your sentences has a lot of commas and phrases, basically more information at the back end after your original subject, verb, and object. You don't want to do that in passive voice when you have a long rambling sentence, okay? So just remember that. Now, in some professions, I know you're being taught to actually write in passive voice, supposedly for more objectivity, so that you are removed from the data, from the information. Well, you can still write in active voice and be objective. So for example, you could say the change of attitude was demonstrated by the study. Why not simply say the study demonstrated the change of attitude? Can you write that way? Yes, you can. Is it understandable? It might be if the sentence isn't too long, if the sentence is short. But if the sentence is going to be rambling or have a couple different phrases within it, you'll want to stick with active voice. Good luck with that.